once again, welcome to our tutorial in AutoCAD. Today I'm going to teach you on how to draw a polyline in AutoCAD. When we say polyline is a continuous line that consists of one or more connected line segment. It can be a straight line or a combination of straight and curved segments. So we will start. So the step and procedure on how to construct a polyline in AutoCAD will be using our keyboard, type PL, then press enter or spacebar. Then it said in our command prompt, specify start point. So we will use our mouse to draw our object, which is polyline. For example, I bring my mouse here. Then I will start left click button of our mouse. Grab the object. For example, this is my next point. I will click again the left click button of my mouse. I bring down, using my mouse. Left click button. Then I want to close the object to my starting point. Type C, press enter or spacebar. That was created a polyline in our AutoCAD. So another example, type PL in our keyword, then specify the starting point. For example, I will start from here, then drag the object going right. So this is my second point or the next point. Then left click button, then here, left click button again, then here, left click button. I wanna close, type C in our keyboard. Okay, that was the polyline in AutoCAD.